sensor wall mount accessory is a beautiful and robust solution for wall mounting Faradite sensors. It provides a mounting solution for locations such as gate posts, alleyways, garden structures, above doors, and more. The solid aluminium unit is designed to house the motion sensor 360 IP black volt-free, making it ideal for outdoor installations, even when exposed to the elements. Installing the sensor wall mount accessory is easy. First, bring your cable through the base plate and fix the base plate to the wall. Next, push the front unit back onto the base plate, align the mounting screws on the top and the bottom to fix the front unit to the base plate. After removing the springs from the sensor, terminate the cable and push the sensor up into the hole. Use the spring clip to secure the sensor in the wall mount accessory. The sensor wall mount accessory is a beautiful solution for Faradite sensors, and it is available right now. Head to www.faradite.com to learn more.